All right, so today we're going to go over the differences between the Malibu LS, Malibu LT, and the Malibu Premiere. We're going to do a quick walk around these guys just so you can notice some of the obvious differences. The wheels, as you go up in trim level, they get a little better and better. Those are nice. This is smoked out gray, very nice. Here's the key change, the fobs. This is the LS. It does not have a remote start. It is a base car, but for mid 20s to low 20s, this is a base car that comes with a lot of stuff. You still have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You still have the backup camera. It's a very nice, well-equipped vehicle. Cloth seats, no power. Go to the LT model. Right next door, it does have keyless entry, just like the LS has, so it's a step up here. This one has a power seat on the driver's side only. Leather. All the features I just mentioned on the LS. As we get up in trim levels, you get all those features and more. So we step up to that. If you notice on this side, there is no power seat on the passenger. Now we get to the Premiere. Power seat there. Power seat on the passenger side, as well as a panoramic roof. If you look up, beautiful feature. This comes with a confidence and convenience package. On the mirror, you have blind spot monitors, which helps when you're driving and you can't see in your blind spot. It also comes, now we talked about the sensors, it comes with rear cross traffic alert. So down here, a lot of big trucks, you're in the supermarket, two big trucks are on the side of you, you can't see, you're backing up. Somebody comes with a wagon, it'll alert you, it'll beep and let you know you can't back out. The difference between this one and this one, the LS, the LT, and the Premiere, you can get a convenience and confidence package on the LT. So you can get the blind spot monitors and the rear traffic sensors on this vehicle. For it's an additional upgrade. As far as leather, this comes in cloth, so leather is an added feature as well. On this Premiere, most of these features come standard. Major features, the major differences between these three vehicles is the advanced safety features on this particular vehicle. It has front collision warning. It'll alert you if you're driving too close to the vehicle in front of you based upon your current speed. There is an illumination that goes from green to yellow to red if you're getting too close. The rear traffic, the backup camera. It has a high def camera in the rear view mirror. There's some great safety features. Lane keep assist, lane changing. If you're going over a solid white line, your blinker is not on, it will keep you in the lane. Some really nice features. You do have a blinker in your side mirror, which these two do not have. Trunk space is identical, inside space is identical.